Hello and welcome. You are listening to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm Keanu.
And I'm Lovely. We are so happy you are here with us today. In this podcast, we help you learn English you can use in real life.
That's right. Today's topic is meeting a new friend. We will listen to a short conversation. Then we will talk about the words. Then we will listen again. You will learn and remember.
It's a great way to learn. So get ready. Please remember to click like or subscribe. It helps you find us again easily. Okay, let's begin.
First, let's listen to a conversation. Two people, Anna and Ben, meet at a park. Listen carefully.
Hello. Nice day, isn't it?
Oh, yes. It is a very nice day.
My name is Anna.
I'm Ben. It's nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Yes, I like to walk here. How about you?
Me too. I like to walk here after work.
That's good. Well, I should go. It was nice talking to you.
You too, Ben. See you later.
See ya.
Okay, that was a simple and friendly talk. Did you understand? Good job for listening. Now, Keanu and I will talk about the important phrases.
Thanks, Lovely. Let's start with the first thing Anna said. She said, "Hello. Nice day, isn't it?" This is a very common way to start a conversation in English. We call it a conversation starter. You talk about the weather or the place. It is friendly and not too personal.
Yes, nice day, isn't it? You can use this anywhere, at a bus stop, in a park, in a line. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Nice day, isn't it?
Good. Perfect. Next, they introduced themselves. Anna said, "My name is Anna." And Ben said, "I'm Ben." Both are good. My name is a little more formal. I'm is more casual and very common.
After saying their names, Ben said a very important phrase. It's nice to meet you. This is the best thing to say when you meet someone for the first time. Let's all say it together. Ready? It's nice to meet you.
Excellent. Then Anna asked a question. She said, "Do you come here often?" This is a great question. It continues the conversation. It shows you are interested. You can change here to other places. For example, do you come to this cafe often? Or do you come to this library often?
That's a great point, Keanu. Asking questions keeps the conversation going. Ben answered, and then he asked Anna, "How about you?" This is a very, very useful short phrase. When someone asks you a question, you can answer and then say, "How about you?" It's easy and it makes the talk equal.
Yes, let's try another example. Imagine two people at a music class. Person A, "I like jazz music. How about you?" Person B, "I like pop music. It's fun." See? Simple and friendly.
I love that example. Now, at the end of the conversation, Ben needed to leave. He said, "Well, I should go." This is a polite way to say you need to finish the talk. It is much better than just saying goodbye suddenly.
And then he said, "It was nice talking to you." This is a friendly way to end. It is like, "It was nice to meet you," but for the end of a conversation.
And finally, they both said, "See you later." This is a very common and warm way to say goodbye to someone you hope to see again. You can say it even if you don't know when you will see them. It's just friendly.
Okay, we talked about many phrases. You are doing so well. Let's quickly repeat them together.
We will say the phrase and you repeat it. Ready?
Nice day, isn't it?
Nice day, isn't it?
My name is Keanu.
My name is Lovely.
I'm Keanu.
I'm Lovely.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
How about you?
How about you?
Well, I should go.
Well, I should go.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
See you later.
See you later.
Good job.
Wonderful! You are improving already. Now, let's listen to the first conversation one more time. See how many phrases you can recognize now.
Hello. Nice day, isn't it?
Oh, yes, it is a very nice day.
My name is Anna.
I'm Ben. It's nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Yes, I like to walk here. How about you?
Me too. I like to walk here after work.
That's good. Well, I should go. It was nice talking to you.
You too, Ben. See you later.
See ya.
And that's it. You listened, you learned, and you listened again. You did a great job today.
You really did. Remember, you can listen to this episode many times. Practice the phrases, say them out loud, maybe talk to yourself in the mirror. It helps.
Yes, practice is the key. Try to use one of these phrases this week. Maybe just nice day, isn't it? Or see you later. Every small step is a big win.
We believe in you. Learning a language is a journey, and we are so happy to be on this journey with you. Thank you for spending your time with us.
Thank you. Until next time, keep practicing and be kind to yourself. This is Keanu.
And Lovely.
See you later.
See you later.